Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Suci Juleha Daud. I can explain about practicum synthesis urea hydrogen peroxide. Title synthesis urea hydrogen peroxide. Objective synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide atau UHP crystal and qualitative. Literature review. Hydrogen peroxide is commonly used chemical compounds with a formula in pure liquid form. It has a distinctive pale blue, however in a mixture which like sharp odor. Next, material and tools. Ada beaker glass, Erlenmeyer, measuring cup, oven, spatula, thermometer, watch glass, filter funnel, dan lain-lain. And materials, ada peroxide atau H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, MnO2, aqueous, manganese oxide, and urea. Experimental work scheme. Synthesis hydrogen peroxide. Start measuring 30% H2O2 solution by 3.4 ml and interest in 2 Erlenmeyer 10 ml. Weighing urea solid as much 1,2 gram and applying into Erlenmeyer containing a solution of H2O2. Later stir until the urea solid. Fill a 250 ml chemical glass which glass watch 150 ml of tap water and heat to 60 degrees Celsius using an handle water and dipping Erlenmeyer containing 30% H2O2 solution urea solid into a chemical glass heat about water handle until the solution become clear. Move the solution on the watch glass so that the solvent can beat compound slowly until there is a crystal-netic shape. And synthesis urea crystal. Qualitative analysis and UHP crystal synthesis. A weighing synthesis crystal yields of 0.1 grams and insert into the test tube. Dissolve synthesis crystal with 2 ml aqueous and add a little MnO2 crystal MnO2 solid to the test tube. Observing O2 gas bubble forming and 0.2 gas bubble are formed and finish. Next ada result and discussion. Ini ada result and discussion. Urea is a single organic compound composed to the element carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. In this practicum, synthesis urea hydrogen peroxide atau UHP, the analysis UHP crystal form qualitative. The first step to weigh to 0.8 grams urea and put in a petri dish. Then take 7,5 ml of 3% dari H2O2 solution. And the next step is to heat 100 ml of aqueous in glass beaker to a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius after the aqueous boiled. 5 ml of 3% dari H2O2 is heated by pulsing is heater so that the solution evaporates and can form crystal. UHP crystal has advantage over H2O in the synthesis of UHP crystal. The mass of UHP crystal is of 0.64 grams. The crystal obtained are clear in the form of threads. The qualitative test. In the qualitative test, the UHP synthesis crystal obtained was mass and then weigh 0.1 grams put into the test tube. They add 2 ml of distilled water until dissolved and clear so as produce of a few bubbles. And furthermore, solid MnO2 black was added in the presence of gas bubbles, decomposition of H2O2. The solution in the test tube is gray-black in color and there are bubbles of O2 gas and there is a black participate. Conclusion. Experiment have been carried out on the synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide atau UHP and qualitative analysis of the result in the synthesis dari UHP. Urea hydrogen peroxide is produced with third like or needle-shaped crystal and a crystal mass of 0.64 grams, and the qualitative analysis of the result of the UHP synthesis. And in a black solution, there were a bubble. This was a black precipitate. Thank you.